What's up, YouTube? Thanks for stopping by again. Man, it's good to see you guys. In today's video, I will be breaking down the clipper to help you guys out to understand the clipper a little better. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, please go down below. Please like and subscribe. Click that little bell, and let's get on with it. Peace. And now that you liked and subscribed to my channel, that which could drastically change my channel and get my message out there, I'd like for you guys to do something for me. I want you to go down in the comments section below and let me know how you're doing. I truly want to know, and I want to hear through these times how everybody's doing, so please feel free to do that. And yeah, let's proceed. Welcome back. Thanks again. Let's dive right on into it. Topic of the day is the clippers. You know, a lot of people out there don't even know about, you know, the lever on the side of the clippers, for goodness sakes. I had a lot of people ask me questions about the lever. So, you know, one thing you have to understand is in order to pull off a good fade, you're gonna need a lever. I mean, you can do a fade with any pair of clippers out there, but to pull off a really sharp, smooth, clean fade, you're gonna need a lever. And I'm gonna dive into that here in a second. But first, I'm gonna flip you guys around and give you a little POV action. All right, here we go. All right, so basically, one thing you need to know. With every clipper, there's all different sorts of guards for each clipper. There's a ton of clippers out there, whether you're using the Andis, whether you're using the, I don't know, Babelus, whether you're using Walls, whether you're using whatever, Oster, you name it. There's different guards for every clipper out there. So the guards will be different for each clipper. That being said, you know, basically, here's what you need to know about the clipper, okay? There's an adjustable lever on every solid pair of clippers. You know, you're gonna need this to pull off a really nice fade. You know, and I go over this time and time again in, you know, my videos, and I try to show and demonstrate, you know, how each position, you know, the basic building block for a fade. You know, I'll go ahead and show you the teeth are closed like this. When the teeth are closed, or when it's halfway, or when it's all the way open. But you know, what I never really talk about is that whenever it's halfway, you're gonna have to go in between each little level there. You're gonna, you know, you know, I say closed, all the way open, halfway, but there's gonna be many times you're gonna have to go in between each step, because sometimes you're gonna have to get a little tighter to get them dark spots out. Sometimes you're gonna need to go a little higher to get some of those dark spots out. So you're gonna have to play with this lever with your fades, you know? You're gonna have to do that. You can't just go all the way closed, halfway, and all the way open. The fade's not always gonna turn out. I mean, in some cases, maybe the fade could turn out well, but most of the time, when you're fading, you're gonna have to get in between these steps. What does that mean? You're gonna have to play around with it. You're gonna have to get used to it, get comfortable with it. The more and more you use this lever, the more and more you'll start to get and figure out the fade. There's a ton of other videos out there on fading, so that'll help you, yeah. You know, but overall, you're gonna have to learn these things yourself. I mean, it's something a lot of people don't know. It's something that you're not really taught. It's something that you just figure out. I mean, you're gonna just have to play with this thing. You're gonna have to learn the lever. And once you figure out this lever, you'll figure out how to fade perfectly. So that being said, get yourself a pair of clippers with the lever, start fading, and the more and more you do it, the more and more things will start to become and blend together easily and nicely, and it'll look great. So keep on trying, man. Keep on doing it. Don't give up on it. You do a couple bads, you think you can't do it, you got to keep on trying. So, you know, basically, the thing is, you know, I don't know what else to say next other than experimenting, basically. You want to experiment the best way you can. Go out, get yourself a pair of nice clippers, put in some work, do the time, and you'll figure this all out. I give you some basic skills in each video, but I know you guys can do it. I know you can do it. I know you can figure it out. It's not the hardest thing in the book, but it's not the easiest either. So that's why I'm saying that, you know, definitely you're gonna wanna have a nice pair of clippers. You're gonna have a lever. You're gonna wanna figure out this lever in between, all the way open, closed, but then the in-betweeners. So don't be discouraged. You know, do not be discouraged. You guys, you know, that's one thing that I know I did as a beginning barber, or even if you're at home right now and you're watching this and you're trying to figure out your clippers in order to get a good solid haircut down. You can do it. You can do it with the little steps that I show you. So keep at it. Alright guys, so there it is. I just wanted to give you a little tip on how the clipper functions. I mean, you will be able to figure this out. Will it take time? Yes. Will you be able to figure it out? Yes. But these are just for a little tips for people at home right now, and for whoever. If you didn't know about the lever, well now you do. And I just wanted to make it a little easier on you guys. Just figure it out, experiment, have a little fun with it even. Don't get discouraged. Don't beat yourself up. And you know, that's about it guys. So, you know, if you like this video, please make sure you like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. I know it's a little short, but I'll be adding more videos soon, don't you worry. So alright guys, that's it. I'll talk to you soon. See you later.